In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stretch images and videos in CapCut. Let's jump straight into it. First, make sure you already have a project open in CapCut and that you've added at least one image or video to your timeline. You should see your clip sitting in the timeline at the bottom of the screen and a preview of that clip in the main viewer. To start stretching, click once on the clip you want to adjust. You can either select it directly from the timeline or click on it in the preview window if that's easier for you. When the clip is selected, you'll notice that CapCut highlights it, and options will appear in the panels around your workspace. Now, move your attention to the panel on the right side of the screen. This is where CapCut keeps most of the detailed settings for whatever you've selected. In this panel, look for the video section and then open the basic tab if it isn't already expanded. This is where you'll find the controls for scaling. By default, CapCut usually has an option called Uniform Scale turned on. When Uniform Scale is enabled, any resizing you do will keep the original proportions of your image or video, so the width and height change together. That's great for normal resizing, but it won't let you properly stretch or squash the clip. To fix that, simply turn off or uncheck the Uniform Scale option. As soon as you disable it, you'll notice that the scale width and scale height sliders become independent. This means you can now adjust the horizontal and vertical size separately. From here, you have two ways to control the stretch. You can click and drag the scale width slider to stretch the clip wider or make it narrower, and drag the scale height slider to make it taller or shorter. Watch the preview as you adjust these settings so you can see exactly how your changes affect the image or video. If you prefer more precision, you can type in specific numeric values instead of dragging the sliders. This is especially useful if you want to match a certain aspect ratio or recreate the same stretch on multiple clips. Once you're happy with how the clip looks in the preview, you're done. You've successfully stretched your image or video in CapCut, and you can move on with the rest of your edit.